Struggling to craft the perfect cover letter for your dream job? Say goodbye to the frustration and hello to a game-changing solution. In this video, you'll discover how to create a compelling cover letter in just a few minutes. First, open up the job advert page for your dream job in your browser. Next, double-check to make sure you and the job are a good fit. Now let's go to coverletterpro.ai to create our irresistible letter in 3 easy steps. From your dashboard, click on Create New Cover Letter. Enter the job title. Now enter the job description. Quick tip: only enter the necessary information. Provide the name of the company you are applying to and hit Continue. This next page is about you. Simply copy and paste the key parts of your CV in this field, making sure to include qualifications and diplomas you might have. This will help the AI in customizing the letter precisely and accurately. Finally, select the tone and style you would like for your letter. For this example, the tech professional tone suits perfectly, as it would include the necessary jargon. And now, you get to review all the details you have provided before submitting. Once you are happy, hit Submit and let the AI cook. In less than a minute, your cover letter draft is ready for you to review. Read it carefully and check for accuracy. On this page, you can make some final edits and add your own personal touch. Clicking on Save and Download will immediately download your cover letter as a PDF to your computer. If you spot any issues, for example, here where you see the zip code is not there, you can simply go back to the Refine page and make the necessary edits. Once again, you can save this version and download it. When finished, click Done and you will see the 2 versions of your cover letter in the dashboard. You may also download them from here. That's it! Now it's your turn. Go over to coverletterpro.ai to create your own career-changing cover letter in just minutes.